What's up, guys? Can you save your basement sills with a 2x4? I know you can. Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Art of Rving. If you're not a sub, become a sub. It's right over here, right there. Click that sub button right over there. Yeah, and if you are ready, say that 3 times fast, a sub. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure you hit us up on Instagram. Right, Instagram. So, and today, I don't know if you're like me, but man, even slamming my basement door when I slam latches, I just don't like slamming it. I just think that it's gonna put some extra pressure onto those latches, you know? And so I really like to shut it and then pick up on the latch and shut it gently, you know? I'm just one of those guys. And another thing is, I don't like pulling out my crates and my boxes out of my basement and dragging them across the stupid seal. I just think after a while you keep dragging those across the seal, that is going to tear those seals, even though I do treat them, of course. But anyway, I've got a solution that I've come up with that is multifunctional, yes, multi-user friendly, and cheap. So here we go. So what I've done, guys, is I've came up with this simple method of saving those seals with a 2x4. I am into minimalism and I want multifunction out of whatever I do, and I don't want to drill holes in my stupid camper, that's for sure. Measured it to the size of the basement, approximately. And all I've done is I have placed this 2x4 down in front of the basement door. So whenever I pull one of my tubs out of my basement, I drag it across the top of the 2x4 and I don't drag it across the seal. I didn't even put this in there with screws or anything. I just set it inside. And the reason I did that is I wanted multi-function out of this, and it barely moves anyway. But what I like about that is I have a 2x4 available. So if I need a 2x4, I know where they are. I have 2 of them. I have one on each basement side. A 2x4 is like baling wire, man. It is good for everything. And so then I know I've got 2 2x4s if I need them. So I mean, it's super simple. It's multifunction. I've got 2 2x4s that I know that I have in case I need them, and it saves the seals from being torn up every time I pull a tub out of there. So there you have it, man. Short, sweet, simple. Low tech is what does it for me. Can you save your basement seals with a 2x4? The answer is yes. Give it a try. Leave some comments. Thank you so much for watching. We'll check ya.